All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Doing another video here tonight. I just did the what is a GTX video. I just got back from the doctor. I've been in and out of the doctor, so excuse me if I sound like more weak and not here. I've been having some, just so you guys know for in videos if I don't seem like I'm there, I've been having some like, more like fainting issues, so. I'm making a video. Sorry. I've been having some more like fainting, lightheaded issues. I crashed and broke everything in the bathroom, so if I don't see him here, that's why. But I do have to get these cut open and show you guys what we got. So we got the brake pads and we got rotors. So this is these are on eBay. This whole thing right here was like after tax and shipping. It took like 4 days to get here. Not bad. It was like 112 bucks total. And this is for front, rear, and pads. And they're ceramic pads, not metallic, so they're good. And they're drilled in slotted rotors. So, yeah, I put these on the last Grand Prix I had, and they held up great. So, it's kind of got to pop these open. I just wanted to do an unboxing. I don't even have the car here. It's in the shop getting the brake lines done. So those will be good to go here in a day or two. And then we'll be able to put these on and it'll have new brake lines and brakes. So it'll be absolutely great. So first up we got, like I said, the pads. These are carbon ceramic pads. So overall, this is a really good deal. This is some good rotors and good pads for the money. Yeah, you can see the rear box is a good amount smaller than the front box. So we got pads there. Let's pop open just one of these boxes here to check out what the rotors look like. And then in one of the next videos I make, we'll be installing these on the car when I get it back, showing you guys how to do it. And I want to know, do you guys like the videos I record on my phone? This is the 11 Pro Max that I'm recording on. I just got it. It's actually really nice. Do you like this? Do you like when I record on my GoPro Hero 6 Black, I believe it is, or my Canon T5i with the Rode microphone? So let me know which one of those you guys want to see me film on more. I personally, it's easiest to do it on this phone because then I edit it on the phone and upload it, but the GoPro is probably my favorite. The Canon is probably the best quality. I don't know though, because this Pro Max is really good. It's super good, but the Canon's really, really good too. So, just kind of crack this sucker. See if we can't. It's hard to do all this one-handed. I'm sorry if the camera's bouncing around. I'm gonna sit you guys down for 2 seconds. No. Why? It's right in the middle of the video. Well, there's the camera. So, yeah, so here's the rotor. I believe this one is going to be this is, I think, the rear. Pretty sure. And there's the pads. Kind of crack this open, see what they look like. Just got your little thing here. Tells you a braking procedure. For all my cars I get, the first thing I always do to them is brakes. So it's nice to have good brakes, you know. So I believe these are the rear. Yeah, these are the rear. And then the front are going to be in this bottom box down here. So yeah, let's that's kind of what we're gonna get on the car. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna perform good, especially with the new brake line. I'll have all my brakes again. Then we'll get into some more stuff, the next level of stuff for the car, and I have lowering springs coming. I ordered ZZP lowering springs and JDM speed off. They're just eBay wires, 10.5 millimeter spark plug wires. Then I have a whole new set of NGK plugs to put in. So we have a lot of stuff to do to the car, a lot of upcoming videos for the GTX, and hopefully we can save this thing from, it was almost doomed basically. So yeah, let's go.